In this lesson, we'll discuss PC maintenance. Maintaining your computer equipment will help extend the life of the components. The first thing you need to look at is creating the proper environment for your computer hardware. This will help your hardware last longer. Some considerations include keeping the temperature between 70 and 74 degrees and keeping the humidity levels between 40 and 70%. Make sure the computer rooms have separate and redundant cooling systems, and use a positive pressure system in your computer rooms and wireways to ensure a supply of good, clean, filtered air. Frequently clean systems which operate in a dirty, dusty, or smoky environment. Protect your systems and network cabling from electromagnetic interference, or EMI. EMI is generated by motors, machinery, and even fluorescent lights. You can use shielded cables or run your network cabling in conduit to prevent EMI. Fiber optic cable is not susceptible to EMI. Radio frequency interference, or RFI, can disrupt wireless network traffic. RFI can be generated by cordless phones and other home automation hardware. Wireless networks that operate within the 2.4 GHz range are particularly susceptible to RFI. This can be overcome by moving to a wireless solution that operates in the 5 GHz range. Data stored on magnetic media like disks and tape is at risk from any source of a magnetic field, such as speakers, motors, and fans, and even space heaters. Solid-state and flash storage devices are not susceptible to this kind of data loss. Proper computer maintenance includes periodic cleaning. Dust and dirt will insulate PC components, trapping heat and shortening the life of your computer. Some common cleaning supplies include a lint-free cloth, compressed air, an anti-static and microfiltering vacuum cleaner, and denatured alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Always power down a system before cleaning and use caution with liquid-based cleaners. Never apply a liquid directly to a PC component. You'll use the denatured alcohol to clean electrical contacts. Use a dry, lint-free cloth or a special LCD cleaning solution to clean LCD screens. Keyboard should be cleaned with a small PC vacuum cleaner or compressed air. Inkjet print heads should be cleaned with a manufacturer's supplied utility. Excess toner should be removed from a laser printer with an anti-static and microfiltering vacuum. And lastly, use only a special cleaning disc and its related software to clean CD or DVD drives. CD and DVD discs can be cleaned with a soft, dry cloth. Here are a few more considerations to help you ensure a long life for your PC components. When you receive a component that has been shipped to you, allow it to sit at room temperature for at least 6 hours. This will dissipate any condensation that may have been caused by a rapid change in temperature or humidity. Use covers and cases to protect equipment when it's not in use. Use cable ties and anchors to keep cabling organized, and always perform regular backups of important data. That's it for this lesson. We discussed several different things you can do to extend the life of your computer equipment, like maintaining proper temperature and humidity, protecting your systems from interference and magnetic fields, and cleaning your PC components.